Hello everyone. Today I'm in Memorial Park, Legazpi City. I'm going to Manito. I will show you the bowling lake, like I said yesterday. And we will go to the beach, we will mini explore. You know, we was on the route and here you have view of Legazpi. That's why I want to show you 10 seconds. So there is the memorial cemetery. So you see at the front is my own, and you see all Legazpi City here. All Legazpi City. And you see the ocean. There are kilometers of trees. So now I will drive like 40-45 kilometers to Manito. Very beautiful there. I was in Manito. But the bowling lake I didn't so. So let's go. So I'm in the bowling lake. Where is the bowling lake? It is in Manito. You need Google, and Google will send you here direct from the lake. Asphalt, so you don't need to walk on dirty road. So now I will show you the lake. So Albay Bicol. So there is the way to the lake. You must to be very careful because the water lake is very hot, like 100 degrees. If you fall down, you can leave your skin, or you can die if you're not out very fast. It's very beautiful. It was rain 30 minutes, so now rain finish. I can show you. So you need very to be careful. So you see the lake is boiling. Wait, I'm going to there to show you all the lake. Yeah, you can go maybe going there, but I'm afraid if you... So that's the lake. Look, it's boiling. It's very hot. You cannot stay a long time. It's like I don't know. It's you feel like little like sauna, like I don't know, 15, 16 degree. Now I start raining, raining. Sorry, wetting. Oh my gosh. Oh, I try, but it's not. Yeah, it's very dangerous. I want to try to going there to you see how it's boiling. And I will show you something for the first time record in Philippines in this lake. I will boiling egg and you will see its work. Because with my friend try one egg and it's working. 10 minutes inside and your egg is back and ready to eat. My friend did the experiment there, but I will do my egg. So let's try to go in there. Oh yes. Oh, so it's very hot. So you see where I am. Oh my gosh, it's so hot I cannot stay a long time. It's like a sauna. Very beautiful. and there is there, but it's another way. I will show you to going there. We will go, and it's like also hot spring, like it's not near, it's near like 300 meters. My friend is there now to record the water going there like swimming pool, but I don't know if you can't swim because it's like bowling. I don't know. We will try. We'll try, but you will see after. So let's cook the egg. So now I will show you here. You can boiling egg because I'm hungry now. I want to eat. So let's cook and after let's eat. I will put there 10-15 minutes. So now just wait. Back in 10 minutes. So we'll come back in 10 minutes when my egg is ready. I will show you another place near where the water is going and the beach. There is no entrance fee. You see full place of parking. Also another place, but there is no one. Yes. It's rapu there, but wait, I'm going. There is few people there in front of beach. Where there is people living, few houses. I want to show you the swimming pool and the beach. I go in fast because I want my egg is waiting. So the water is going here. To the swimming pool, I will show you. So here, there is the beach. Few abandoned house. Very few people, local people. Also, you can have free water from mountain, not hot. But I didn't recover because. So you see here, you have the rain. But my gosh, look how it's go. Wow, it's you you cannot recover and walk at the same time. We'll go after. So hot water going there. So now I will show you the swimming pool. So now I'm alone, all people gone, return at home. Bye bye, friend. So we can't call it hot spring because hot water is going there. So here it's free, but I don't know. I don't know if you can go in there. Look, it's so green. Oh my God, I don't think it's. I think it's dangerous. Or also water. It's not too much water. I will not take a risk because it's green. Maybe it's going to be dangerous. Also, it's not too much water. You see, Oh, there is crabs. Look. Crabs. Also there. Look, look, look. Crabs. You see? Yeah, we're in Provence. Yeah. You can have a diner for free. So I show you the 360 views. There is a beach. Let's go in there. It's 45 kilometers from Legazpi city. You see it's boiling the lake. You know, now I feel like cold because when I was there, oh my God, so hot. And here, you know, you have 20-30 degree less. Oh, it was so hot there. But I will return to eat my egg. I'm hungry. Oh, when all crabs going. Interesting. Many crabs. Oh, well, again crabs there. Look, on the rock. Keep going. You see? So here is not touristic for swimming. There is a better place near. There is White Beach. We was there. I don't know if we will go today, but in one of my video, we was in White Beach. There. There's a White Beach. I don't know, like 5-10 kilometers from here, maybe 10 kilometers. There's White Beach. So 5 minutes more, and I think my egg will be ready. So let's go in there. Oh, it will be raining again. So I think maybe today we don't go. But I see far in Legazpi it's probably sunny there. But here it's mountain. Mountain there. Oh, many crabs, look that. Oh my gosh. All crabs. Many crabs. Oh, also here. Wow, I never saw so many crabs. Oh, one is died here. Wow, so many crabs. Like all the stone. My gosh, so many crabs. Oh yeah, many crabs. Oh my gosh, look at that. Many crabs. They see me, they all go. Many crabs. Yeah, the water is so clear. It's not sunny. When it's sunny, the color of water must be very beautiful. It look like green, but when it's sunny, it's look, I think, blue. when you're going there, you're going to Sorsogon, Rapu Iceland, I guess. I wish to have a boat, really. Yeah. Maybe one day, many crabs. Wow, look that, so many crabs. Oh, it's fish? I don't know what is that. Laser, I don't know, I don't know what is this. I will look after. So now it's time to back to my egg. 10 minutes. Mini palm. So now we'll check the egg. It's only 10 minutes, but now it starts raining, so maybe 15-20 minutes. We'll check now. I think it's not ready. It's hot, but I think it's not ready. We'll see. Ah, but look, it's not ready yet, but it's like ready. But you see the yellow, like ready, but not. 10 minutes more. But now it starts raining. So we will go. So I show you how you can survive in forest, in jungle, Philippines. Filipino umbrella with banana, look that. I tried to show my video. You see, you can survive with banana. We have all we want. I'm still near the lake. I explore the way here. I don't know. So I will cut because one I have my banana and another hand I have my phone. So let's go. So here is Black Beach. You see where I was before. It's my driver want to come here. Hello, it's not umbrella. It's so now let's go back to the car. I'm tired. So here it's another place. It's mud pool. It's sulfuric, so you need to be careful. It smells like a very old egg. You need to be careful here. You see, it's very boiling. We drive many kilometers in the mountain. Really, I don't know how much. How much is very hard to find. I don't know, maybe more than 20-30 kilometers, I don't know, but it's very hard to find. But we found. So the mud pool. It's raining. So now we'll go back to Legazpi because it will be evening. So let's go back. So let's put the egg. So here, my friend want very much. Okay, let's go, let's go. My friend want very much egg. The lake we moved because it was big rain, but now I have umbrella. So now we will put the egg. So now just wait a few minutes, like 10 minutes I think. So the egg is ready. That's it. Very hot. So let's eat with egg cook from mud pool. 10 minutes here, very fast. So back Legazpi, just was the same to eat, chakes, pizza. So I'm home. So thank you for watching. If you like the content, put a like, subscribe, leave a comment. I always answer when someone leave comment. Thank you. Bye.